Hi, it's me.
Nay. Hello, I'm alive. Very much so alive. Today you're gonna see the first part of us moving, which means mostly packing our or my cacti, and you will see partially all the mess which was caused by moving, and I hate moving. I moved twice, once from one country to another, and the second one to my apartment, which I lived in for 15 years. And now I moved again to a bigger apartment with a huge balcony. And enough me talking about it. You're welcome. Also, a special thank you to Ruthie from Ruthie's Succulent Obsession. Thank you so much for encouraging me to post more often. And normally I was thinking to make one huge vlog, but you encouraged me, so I will post part 1 now and part 2 later. So thank you so much. Sending you much love, and thank you so much for the win that you actually magically found my channel. And for all of you who are watching, go check Ruthie out. I will put the link up here and down there, so check her out. She's really nice. She has very cool projects, and one of them I especially love because it's a chair filled with succulents, so I'm loving that a lot. So now you can watch me move. So what I'm doing now is packing my smaller cacti so I can fit all these beauties in one tray. So I can have another tray, put it over, and this is how it's gonna be. Very easy and simple. I was a little bit worried on how I should do it, but this is how it's gonna be. So you're probably wondering, don't you have any tips for ensuring that you not poke your eye or something when you're moving your cacti and agave? And sure I do. So I was saving this kind of strange foam from pieces of glass when something came home I ordered, and now it's very good. Oh, it's good for packing. It's very good for packing. So now I show you what I do with it. Is basically when I put it on the leaf, I just wanna do a triangle shape cut so I can bend this inside and this like this. So I don't know if we can see any leaves here. Maybe we can take this one then, or this one. So I push it in and just bend over the leaf using whatever rubber gum or rubber band or plastic, no plastic, tape to secure the ends. It's perfect, so it will not poke your eye. So this is my tips for agave packing. But if you don't have this kind of foam, you can of course use something else, something like kind of thin foam or shade cloth, which is, you know, very, very transparent, the shade cloth, to, or just simple styrofoam, just in blocks, you know, cut it and put it on the spines. Thorns, not spines, thorns. So let me back. So this is my second tip. If you have a big cactus, and I have my Mr. Grusani, and it's quite huge. Like, let me see, 20, maybe 25, 30 centimeters in diameter. It's huge. So I'm using pot, and then I slided Mr. Grusani in, and I have this kind of foamy, plasticky emballage from packing stuff, like, you know, TV. So I just wrapped it around with tape over, so it's very steady. Hi guys, so this is my balcony day 2 after a move. So I'm trying to position everything. So this will be my pot station and everything. Aeoniums like the chilly weather. They love it. So far so good. And in the middle of everything, look at my rosemary. It has tiny beautiful flowers. So amazing, and it smells so good. Now I need to unpack my Livata and my everything actually. Oh god, so much work to do. But still we have a good weather, so it's good. Oh. So this is gonna be our workstation. It's gonna be 2 independent desks, and going towards Mr. Big living room. So we have internet, so that's good.
We can survive.
We can survive now. It's terrible that we even think like that. Anyway, so we have our terrariums in place, and our sofa. We don't know if we wanna have it like this. It's kinda fun. We can both relax and be in the middle and watching TV or whatever. Let's say hi to Matilda. Hi Matilda, she's sleeping. Oh, everyone feels good. Flowers are good.
Everyone survived.
Everyone survived, yes.
Everyone survived the move.
Yes, and let's see our bedroom. We have more flowers, of course. So actually, to be honest, we managed to fix everything. All flowers are good and will be in place. I am planning to have big flowers here too. Hi guys, look. In the middle of this mess, I got a gift. Not a gift, but it's oh, look at my boyfriend. Oh my god, I'm so excited because this balcony, it's so nice. So I think that it will be perfect. I will get some look. Oh. Oh my god, guys. So I got myself Palma fan, and it has a thermostat, which means I can use it as a fan on summertime, and heating source or heating fan during the winter. So it will automatically set on when it's too cold, and I can choose the temperature. For example, 7 or something degrees Celsius. Oh, I'm so excited. And in the middle of all this mess, oh, look, that's so pretty. Oh, look, gifts. Recycle your pet. Oh my god, that's so nice. Test sample. Look. This is the spike for watering spike. And you put it on your bottle, put it in. Oh wow, I love that. Wow. Ooh. Perfect. Look at. Oh. So pretty. So pretty, guys. That will be nice for you next year. We will see if this works or not. So thank you for watching.